Dying wig with Baby. Is you gonna call it?
Hold up.
Dyeing wigs with Bae.
That's thumbnail.
This is episode. Wait.
This is episode 58.
This is episode 1.
Her episode 58. Our episode 1.
So this is a blonde lace 10-inch wig. It's got lace in the front. It's got 3 combs. It's got your adjustable straps. Could you pull that up into a ponytail?
No, you probably would have to let this
That would
part
be a
hang.
baby bag.
Kind of like,
don't
you
look
know,
a mess, like a short hairstyle or something. But yeah, we're getting ready to dye this. And yeah, baby can't pass me the dye so I can show these folks, these people. What is that?
Kiss colors. How they be doing? That's how they be doing on it, right?
Yeah. I think it's a good shot. So we getting ready to dip dye this. Asia, do you know what dip dye means? Come back in there.
Yeah, I do know what dip dye mean.
What that mean?
Like when you put water in there and then you put this in there and then you dip it in there. But the water has to be hot. You know what I'm saying? It has to be hot if you want your colors to look right. So, yeah.
Ooh, she knows. She knows. So we're going to try it.
I know.
What you doing, Asia?
Cleaning out the bowl.
Alright, we're using this mop bucket we ghetto style today. So while she's doing that, in today's video we're gonna be using this Kiss Temptation. Oh, I already said it, didn't I?
Oh, I didn't say temptation. Temptation.
And this is the wig. We're gonna go ahead and spray the Got to Be Glued on this puppy.
What color is it again?
Blue. We're gonna spray the Got to Be Glued on the lace, just to make sure that it doesn't stain the lace, which it's not going to anyway, but just to be careful. Is that enough? What part ain't even gonna be showing?
I'm doing shit.
Trying shit. So, let me let this dry out. We getting that water nice and hot. That's too much, nigga.
Oh. I was just putting it so you know we don't have to dunk it that far down.
Yeah, but you don't
pour
want
some
it
out.
to, yeah. Because you want more dye. Damn! Alright. Now we're going to pour this in here and we'll see what happens. That's all of it?
Use all of it?
Hell yeah.
Now, I ain't know you're supposed to be using all of it.
Yes. Alright. Whole bottle is used. We're getting ready to stir this sponge up now. Then we're going to take a little piece of paper towel. Oops. Then we need to take a paper towel and just dunk it in the water and see
what color it's going to be.
What color it's going to be. So Asia, would you do the honors? Yes.
You want to go a little bit more dark?
You got more? So right now, this is the shade that it's turning. You can't really see it on camera, but it's like baby bluish kinda. So we're gonna mix a little bit more in there because I'm scared. Ladies and gents, the moment you've all been waiting for. Look, we scared. Try and get it all in there at once.
What if I get like some of
It's okay, it's okay. Dunk it, baby. I'm geeked.
That's how them arrogant Tay bitches was doing when he was
Damn.
training them. That's how they were doing when they was.
Now we just nigga rigging some shit.
No, now we just putting, you know. Blues.
Let's stop trying to do extra shit, nigga.
Man, I'm on that arrogant Tay shit. Tell her to dip some of the pieces in here.
Like, tell Asia to buy me another 613 wig. Ooh. This is the finished product. Oops.
I put them little stripes and stuff in there that y'all see. The darker color.
Yeah, and it did not stain the lace. So we winning up in this bitch. And action. You ready? Okay. Alright, so we back, y'all. This is the final result on the bob coloring that we did.
You know what I'm saying? It came out plain. She thought I messed it up, but it still came out clutch to me.
Yeah, I was scared because
she was scared because I like dipped it, like half of it. I didn't dip the whole thing. I just dipped half of it, but it still came out loud.
She right. It came out cute. So yeah, I can't even be mad. And yeah, this is it. Like, let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Did you like doing it?
Yeah, I liked it. I like doing it. I want to do it again. Can't wait to do it again.
Yeah, me too.
Y'all will see me in the next dip dye, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit, part 2.
So yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So, hey, I ain't done with you yet. So, yeah, let me know if you guys like it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about today's look. And if you want to see
more of me in her videos, let her know.
Yeah. Bye.